The aim was to scatter the much anticipated homecoming of CS for Education on Obaseki Majogu that is scheduled for later this month. At this point, it should be noted that Raila Amolo Odinga himself welcomed the President of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, with open arms in Luo Nyanza during the homecoming of CS Ogwalo. It therefore comes as a surprise to us to learn that the same Raila is inciting the people of Kisii and trying to turn them against the government of the day.
Let us accept defeat when it comes. Let us give those ones in power time to also lead as we did. So we do not want these shenanigans that is Jebukati everywhere. If Jebukati did it, he did it to all of us, and we have accepted and we have moved on.